Are you preparing for the AWS Cloud Practitioner exam and want to test your knowledge before the big day? Welcome to Aiden Clark Learn. Today, we are diving into the top 5 exam-style AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF CISO2 exam questions designed to challenge your understanding of AWS cloud concepts. Stick around, answer along, and see if you have what it takes to pass the exam. Question 1. Which AWS service is primarily used to run code without provisioning or managing servers? A. Amazon EC2B AWS Lambda. C. Amazon S3. D. Amazon RDS. Correct answer, B. AWS Lambda. Explanation. AWS Lambda allows you to run code without provisioning or managing servers. It automatically scales your applications by running code in response to events. This serverless model helps reduce operational overhead, ensuring you only pay for the compute time you consume. Lambda is ideal for event-driven architectures, real-time file processing, and microservices. Question 2. Which AWS service is used for object storage in the cloud? A. Amazon S3. B. Amazon EBS. C. Amazon RDS. D. AWS Cloud Trail. Correct answer. A. Amazon S3. Explanation. Amazon S3, Simple Storage Service, is designed for scalable object storage. It allows you to store and retrieve any amount of data at any time, providing high durability, availability, and security. S3 is commonly used for backups, data lakes, and static website hosting, making it a cornerstone of AWS storage solutions. Question 3. Which AWS service helps you monitor your AWS resources and applications in real time? A. AWS Cloud Trail. B. Amazon CloudWatch. C. AWS Config. D. Amazon Inspector. Correct answer, B. Amazon CloudWatch. Explanation. Amazon CloudWatch monitors AWS resources and applications in real time. It collects metrics, logs, and events, providing visibility into system performance and operational health. CloudWatch enables automated responses to operational changes, such as triggering alarms, auto-scaling, or invoking Lambda functions, ensuring your applications run smoothly. Question 4. Which AWS service provides relational database functionality in the cloud? A. Amazon DynamoDB. B. Amazon Aurora. C. AWS Lambda. D. Amazon S3. Correct answer, B. Amazon Aurora. Explanation. Amazon Aurora is a fully managed relational database service compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. It delivers high performance and availability with automated backups, scaling, and security features. Aurora is ideal for production workloads that require high reliability while reducing the operational burden of managing traditional databases. Question 5. What is the primary responsibility of AWS Shared Responsibility Model for security? A. AWS manages security in the cloud, while customers manage security of the cloud. B. AWS manages security of the cloud, while customers manage security in the cloud. C. AWS manages all security for customers. D. Customers manage all security. AWS is not responsible. Correct answer, B. AWS manages security of the cloud, while customers manage security in the cloud. Explanation. The AWS Shared Responsibility Model splits security duties. AWS is responsible for the infrastructure, hardware, software, networking, and facilities of the cloud. Customers are responsible for configuring security, managing data, identity, and access policies in the cloud. Understanding this model is essential for exam success and real-world cloud operations. Those were the top 5 AWS Cloud Practitioner exam questions to test your cloud knowledge. How many did you get right? Tell us now in the comments. Finally, if you want full-length AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner CLF C02 exam practice tests and a complete preparation roadmap, check out Pass4Future for the ultimate exam success. Keep practicing, stay confident, and get ready to ace your AWS Cloud Practitioner certification. Hit the like button if you learned something new, subscribe to Aiden Clark Learn for daily exam prep tips, and comment below with your score out of 5. Don't forget to check our full-length AWS Cloud Practitioner practice tests at Pass4Future.